Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be making a sausage, vegetable, quinoa and rice skillet. So what you're going to need for this, you're going to need just some sausage links. I got 5 sausage links left over from the other day. This is some Georgia smoked sausage. These are hot. I got these at Sam's Club. They'll be there for a limited time if they're not already gone. So I got 5 links left of that, and these are good. But you can use any sausage you want for this. I got a bag of stir-fry vegetables. This is a 16 ounce or 1 pound bag. Now I got 2 packages of quinoa and brown rice, which we're going to do these in the microwave. But so, alright. Well, let's get this going, and we'll enjoy it, and hopefully you guys will be able to try it and enjoy it as well. Okay guys, first thing you're going to want to do is get your skillet or your frying pan, electric frying pan here. Get it at just get it all greased up here with the, you know, just use this, you can use oil. I'm going to go ahead and get these vegetables I'm just going to cut this open. Normally use this and I can put these in the microwave, but for this I'm just going to sit them in here and cook them up. Let that sit in there. So, okay. And the next thing we're going to do is, this sausage is already fully cooked. So what we're going to do is take the links and we're going to just cut them up into little pieces here. So all the vegetables are cooking. We're just going to take this and just kind of cut the sausage up here. Now I got the quinoa and the rice mixture cooking in the microwave. So we're doing this. So this will all come together pretty quickly. So yeah, let's see, we got that all here. So I'm going to finish cutting this sausage up, and I'll see you in just a little bit as we get ready to do this. And we're just going to mix this here together too. Okay guys, we've got our sausage cut up. The vegetables are coming along here pretty good. Just going to get them stirred up a little bit here. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to just dump in our sausage in here. And I'm going to add a little bit of water in there. We'll get it all, let it cook in here a little bit longer. Takes about 5 to 7 minutes for the vegetables to cook. We're going to want to heat up the sausage. It's already cooked, but we're going to get it heated up. So we'll let this heat up a little bit more and stirring it occasionally. So once it's cooked up here, got it good mixed in there, we're going to put it on here and let it sit for a few minutes, get it cooked up. Alright, we'll see you in just a few more minutes when we're ready to put the rice in and give this a try. Okay guys, this has been sitting here cooking, warming up. So, I'm going to give it one more good stir here. And then, now, on this, I like to just kind of mix this all in, but we're just going to take this. I heated the rice up in the quinoa and the rice in the microwave. And so I'm just going to put these right on top and mix it in there. You can put it on the bottom if you want, and put your sausage in on them, or you just mix it in like I am. I want to just mix it in here. That way you get a little bit of everything on your bite when you eat it. So, alright, so we'll just get it good mixed in here. Oh, an old quick meal. Getting it spilled all over the place here. Alright. Yep. Alright, we're all mixed in now. Just look at that little quinoa and the rice. Looks good. Smells. Alright guys, we got it all scooped in here. Put it in here. Alright, there we go. As you see, there we go. And I'm going to give this a little try. It's all the sausage and some of the vegetables in there. See if I can get her. There we go. Alright, let's give this a try here. This is good. I had something a little bit quick. I had some sausage left over and some vegetables and some of the quinoa and rice mixed together. So came out really good. So I wanted to share this idea with you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay guys, now this is a sausage, vegetables, and rice skillet. So if you liked it, comment below, let me know what you think. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, take time to subscribe to my channel. I do a cooking video like this on every Saturday. I also do some taste test videos and some sightseeing and adventure videos. Guys, catch up with those videos. And okay guys, well, I want you to enjoy the day that the Lord has given you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna eat this and enjoy this.